Back on it. He's back on it.
Wait! Your size crazy like that.
Come here, girl.
I need the help. Raj, get the
Niggas know what's up. Niggas know what's up, nigga. I'm still up. Yeah. No other
Talking
fun
shit.
besides that, nigga, yeah.
Let me see you do another Willie. Can I see you do another Willie?
I'm still up.
Can I see you do another Willie?
Yeah. And I pick my shit back up, nigga.
Can I see you do another Willie?
Yeah, nigga, what? Nigga, tough as fucking iron, nigga.
Can I see you do another Willie?
My ex wanna fight me, man.
Can I see you do another Willie?
Sometimes you gotta know when to stop. You gotta know when to stop.
That shit went back. I seen it. That shit went back. You put it.
Get that throttle, that twist grip too much. And you lean it back and you holding it. Nigga.
You gotta push off.
Will, man.
Got his brake control. I'm the fallen. This is what you look like when you're done and keep it up. Yo, that bitch. That bitch is kicking. That nigga. Pussy ain't. Oh my god, that bike is so using no brakes, I just keep going. Power
Crazy. I gave you your phone back. You were supposed to get it.
I'm about to go pack my stuff up. Yo, that nigga brake. Yo, ain't no brakes on that. Cuz, Will, ain't no brakes on that, you heard? Ain't no brakes on it. Ain't no brakes. That's all metal against metal.
He done. He done.